Hi, I'm Prakruti. I'm from Bangalore. I have experience of about 2.5 years as of now.
So my question for you is that before you join this trained therapist workshop, your expectation, and then after attending the workshop, what is the 2 points you gain from it?
So I came here with a very clean canvas, thinking that I wanted to learn the basics because we are not taught in the utmost basic level from a college and at a workplace as well. So the 2 points which I have gained in this workshop is to work on the basics, how basics are very important, and a lot of small things like coordinating with the physiotherapist and time management and like a lot of techniques which we tend to overlook during the practice. So I've learned basics of it, and also I'm looking forward to attend more such advanced techniques from sir, so I can upgrade and apply in my day-to-day practice also.
Okay, that's very good to hear. Sometimes we may forget what is basic and we jump directly to the advanced stage. And then what were you saying,
Yeah, we tend to skip the progressions during the practice on a patient as though we know the techniques and all during our internship side. But when we apply doing our patients, we tend to forget when the proper sequence wise. The sequential order, how to go during the practice is what I've learned in the past 2 days, and I think all the therapists here, my fellow therapists who came to attend the workshop, as well as our seniors who are part of mission work, they've all been very helpful and been they guided us very well.
What do you think of Mission Walk Center as a whole, Brent?
Yeah, to be very honest, I don't think the kind of rehab you provide here is found in many places across India. You have a very wide sector of departments, not just neuro rehab. I feel like even pediatrics or everything is under one roof. That's very good because it's very difficult to find everything in one setup. And also training therapists, all of them in different sectors under one roof is a very huge task. And in that, Dr. Ravi sir and his entire team should be applauded for this wonderful effort. It's very difficult to handle everything and also provide equal proper information also. So in that way, it's good. It's very remarkable. I hope that this continues in the future and even better therapists come out of mission work so they can continue and provide the same in the rehabilitation field.
Okay, that's good. Better therapists, from where they come? Better therapists from the training itself. The day one they start joining mission work, we train them till they became confident in themselves to take a patient personally. Now that they have attended the workshop for 2 days, then from your experience, will you like to recommend to your colleagues or any other physio friends to join our upcoming workshop?
Yeah, I would definitely recommend this level 1 basic workshop for all the therapists out there, because I'm sure this kind of exposure and hands-on practice is not given at the college or during internship as well. So you get to experience a lot of wide sector of patients, and also a lot of techniques will be learned over here. I would definitely recommend this workshop to all the budding therapists and also practicing therapists out there.
Can you give a few words about Ravi sir and his vision on a mission work?
About Ravi sir, I've been following Ravi sir for quite some time on social media, and whatever I've learned, basics, whatever I could extract from the information from watching his videos is through his social media, and I really wanted to work under him so I can gain more knowledge. So when you have a mentor like him, you'll be able to grasp a lot of things, because he's the kind of person who would want you to learn also and grow along with him. A lot of teachers out there, they don't want you to grow beyond certain point. But when it comes to Ravi sir, what I've felt is he's very knowledgeable and also wants to transfer his knowledge to other people out there. He wants people to grow and make a remark in this field. So that's what I loved the most about him, and also his entire team. Everyone who's working under him, all the HODs in different sectors, they're very helpful and also very they want to make you a better therapist They don't want to hold you back in any way. So that's one thing I love the most about mission work as well.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much for your